Hey there guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can get the Wanderer of Faith leather armor in Crimson Desert. Now first things first, here's my location on the map, right next to the Shadow Slope over here on the Silver Moon Trade House. If I zoom out a little bit, I'm just right under the S of Demonis as you can see right here. Now once you've seen the Silver Moon Trade House from this direction, go over here to the left and try to go over to this wall right here. Jump on it and then hold on to it. Now press down Q to resist and then do a Life Force Bomb. This will send you over to the other side.
Let's get this over with then.
And then right under here, you'll be able to find the treasure chest containing the Wanderer of Faith leather armor. Here are the stats of it. It has a defense of 9, a refinement of level 3, and it has lightning resistance and 3 very good abyss gears that has fire resistance, damage reduction, and some increased silver gain. And here's how the leather armor would look like on Damien. And that's pretty much about it on how to get the Wanderer of Faith leather armor in Crimson Desert.